This is how you make a caramel cake from scratch. I bet getting straight into it, you got your flour, motherfucking baking powder, yeah, baking powder, salt, and what's that whole aggressively, goddamn it, just like that. Look at the flick. Oh my god, look at the flick. All right, boom. You got your butter. You need that motherfucker softened, really goddamn soft. I do that shit in the microwave though, cause I ain't had time for that shit. But whip that hoe up. You want that hoe to be nice and white. I ain't really show that, but yeah, you got your sugar in that hoe. Boom. Make sure you scrape that motherfucker down. Every 5 seconds, you gotta scrape that shit down. It's annoying as hell, but it is what it is. Keep it going. All right, you got 5 eggs. That was the first egg. Shit. That was the 5th one, goddamn it. So, you got your vanilla in that motherfucker. Let that whole stir. And then, so this is what I went wrong. I added all the milk. You don't do that. You add some of the milk, and then you add some of the flour mixture, and then you add some of the milk, and then you add some of the flour mixture. But yeah, I did that shit wrong, so that's why my shit look like that. But I ended up adding the flour, and it was cool, I guess. So yeah, don't be a dumbass and do it like that. It came out pretty good. Boom, we taking that, dumped it into 2 trays. It's enough for 3 trays, but I only made 2 because you got your brown sugar, you got your butter. Oh my god, this shit smells so good, bro. If y'all ever made this shit, you know what I'm talking about. That's like milk and heavy cream. You got your salt, throw that hoe in there. Boom, we out to the motherfucking stoves. Throw that motherfucker on medium heat. Stir that hoe. You got to stir it occasionally, not even occasionally. You got to stir that bitch consistently. So that hoe reach about 230. You see we got 220 right there. So we not done yet. We gonna keep stirring that bitch. It's gonna start boiling. It's gonna start looking like caramel candy and shit. That shit starts smelling so good, bro. That shit starts smelling so good. But yep, 228. We almost there. Keep stirring that bitch. Keep stirring. Look at that joint, bro. It's gonna get a little scary in them trenches, man. It's gonna get scary in that field, bro. You just gotta keep stirring though. Keep stirring. All right, check it one more again. Let's see where we at. 230. Yeah, that's perfect. So we're gonna take that motherfucker right off. Throw that hoe in the motherfucking stand mixer. You feel me? And you gotta let that shit cool off for like 20 minutes, but after that shit cool off for 20 minutes, you gonna beat that motherfucker up for like 10 minutes. Then you got your powdered sugar in that hoe. The reason you beat it up is so that it gets thick. It gets a lot thicker after you beat that bitch for 10 minutes. I know that ain't sound right, but yeah, at this point your cake should be done. You can just throw that motherfucker together. So what I did was I didn't butter my pans, so don't be a dumbass like me and not butter your pans. Yeah, I was trying to get this shit done, but yeah, it actually turned out pretty good. Everybody liked it. Yeah, appreciate you for watching, little bro. I also ain't have enough icing. That motherfucker look good though.